Hey everyone, so here's a preview of what's in today's game on Mystery Box. So let's go over what came in the box. So first, I know you guys want to see the cutie, so I just want to let you know that in this mystery box, there's going to be either a gold cutie or a persimmon cutie. So it's going to be selected randomly, so there is no definite which one you're going to get. So that's definitely going to be a mystery. So good luck if you're looking for the gold one. You have a hat. You also have some infusible ink patterns that are in cosmic dots. So it should be fun if you like these. Um, Here's an everyday iron-on mesh with the ocean color. You also have premium vinyl in the holographic threads in the cherry color. I don't know if you can see the threads. So let's try to see if I can get a better picture. So here you go. Um, and then you have this removable matte vinyl, and it's really fun because this one is a premium 3D texture. And recently there was a big hype about 3D prints or 3D designs, but you can see here's the 3D pattern, and it comes in different color sheets in here in the pack. My other favorite is the linerless transfer tape. If you haven't seen or used these, you need to check this out. I really like this, particularly for when I'm working with permanent vinyl. It comes in a roll like this, and what it means is it doesn't have a backing on it. Can't really see, but you could just peel it off right there, and then you could cut it and use it for your design. You also have three blue like grip mats. So this is a really good box. It is $59.99 in the US and in Canada, and this is all the stuff that you're gonna get. So happy chasing mystery boxes.